Hey, we're Erica and John, branding and lifestyle photographers in Phoenix, Arizona, and today we're excited to talk to you about the tool that has literally transformed our photography business.
It's the ExpoDisc, and John is not kidding when he tells you that it has literally transformed our photography business.
So chances are you might be like us. Before we started shooting with the ExpoDisc, we were constantly frustrated with inconsistent color in our images. We would shoot with our camera set to auto white balance and find that our photos never looked the same. Your camera's auto white balance works by looking at the scene and deciding what color temperature is most appropriate, based on the light reflections coming into your in-camera light meter. This is why auto white balance can result in images that are too cool or too warm, even if they're shot back to back and in the exact same location. Thankfully, we were introduced to a better way, something that not only delivers perfect color temperature every time, but delivers it at the time we take the photo, so that nothing needs corrected later on. It's the ExpoDisc. It's small, about the size of a camera lens cap, and it's so easy to use. The ExpoDisc works by feeding your camera the perfect grayscale image to achieve flawless color temperature. To use the ExpoDisc, you'll want to switch your camera to manual mode and select the aperture and ISO based on your lighting. If you use your shutter button to autofocus and trigger your shutter, you'll want to temporarily switch your lens to manual focus. Otherwise, the camera will constantly search for focus while you're using the ExpoDisc and will never release the shutter. We use back button focus, so we leave ours alone. The first step is to stand next to your subject, facing back in the direction you'll be shooting from, back to where you'll be standing. Next, adjust your shutter speed to set your in-camera light meter to 0. Then snap an image. Now that you have a perfect grayscale image, you apply it to your camera's custom white balance. On our Canon cameras, we first set our white balance to custom, then select the gray image we took and apply it. That's it. It's seriously that easy. Once you get used to it, you can snap the image and apply it to your settings as you walk back into position.
Yeah, and the best part about it is how easy it is to use and how little disruption it causes during the session. I mean, really, it's an unnoticeable part of our experience, and it fixes the white balance issue up front and for good.
We know that's a lot of information we just gave you, but trust us, you're going to love this tool just as much as we do.
There isn't a session we go to where we don't have the ExpoDisc in our bag, and to be completely honest, I wouldn't feel comfortable starting a shoot without the ExpoDisc.
Once you get the ExpoDisc and start making it a regular part of your photo routine, you'll find yourself loving how easy it is to use to get perfect color temperature in all of your images.